Hello everyone, I thought I'd finally give you a walk around through my kitchen. Dan came today to wish me a happy birthday greeting, so he's helping me out a little bit. As we see here, it's a rather large kitchen. Billy designed it, and it's designed for the large family get-togethers for Christmas and everything. I can start over here. This is usually where I start, over here. Now you see this tall cabinet right here beside Bambi? That's a pantry. You can show the picture of it right there. And that cabinet is going to go right here because next to it is going to be my refrigerator. And I do not like a refrigerator that's just open. So instead of building a partial wall, I'll have that cabinet pantry here. And then will be my stove. And now next to my stove, I will have a small sink. Next to my refrigerator, I will have a small sink. That way you take your meats and your vegetables out of your refrigerator. Instead of going across to a sink, dribble, 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 I simply take them out of my refrigerator to my small sink here and wash the meats and vegetables. And then next to that is a small cabinet which will have butcher block on it, which is right up there on the top to do the chopping. Next to that is my cook stove. And then next to that, of course, is another cabinet. And then my corner cabinets. And this will be above it. And I have a cute little bread box that will be in that corner there. And then we turn this way. And here's my main sink. And look at the view. What an awesome view. Isn't it gorgeous? So, and then we come next to that. And I have more cabinet, and more cabinet, and more cabinet. And then we turn this way, and this will be a double wall oven. And this will be where we do all the baking. And next to it will be like a 36-inch wide with drawers and cabinet drawers for all the spoons and spatulas and cake dishes and cake nuts and baking pans. You know, oblong pans, round pans, all kinds of pans. And then above it will be a wall cabinet that will have like paper cupcake cups, flavorings, powdered sugars, brown sugar, all things to do with baking, be it meat or sweet. And then beside that, I have a second one of these, and it will be capped off with that. And then I was thinking about putting one of my desks right here on the other side of this for like my recipe books and just to sit and, you know, write and paint, crochet, do whatever I'm doing while it's cooking. So, and then here's the island. And it as well was gonna have another sink because large family, you can't have enough sinks or enough ovens. Oh, that's just, my stove is just going to be a cooktop stove. And I forgot to say, instead of having a large vented hood in front of my beautiful window, I'm gonna have the gin air type where the vented hood's on the side and it just kind of sucks everything down that way. So, there's the long-awaited tour of my kitchen. I hope you've all enjoyed it. Until next time, blessings.
Recuerda seguirme en mis redes sociales y checa nuestras listas de reproducción para que selecciones el contenido que a ti te guste. No olvides suscribirte y activar la campana de notificaciones. Sacamos de 2 a 3 videos por semana. Nos vemos en el siguiente video. Bye.